in the intensification. Stay present. I constantly refer back to the powerful saying of Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. I think that's applicable to all times that we're in, but I do really think that's applicable to the times that we're in now. There's certainly an intensification. All you have to do is look outwards and feel inwards. A lot of what people feel in their fear body, in the pain body, in the agitated body does not belong to them. It's the field. It's the vibrational field. It's the collective field. Many, many people feel not only what they feel, but actually there's no me in that sense. There's no edge to us. So we're very porous, and we do feel a lot of the collective energies. And I don't think that should ever be dismissed. I still think one needs to take ownership of it, in the sense that the thing that we can do something about is our own energy field. We could deepen into equanimity and the deepest presence that we can access. And I think in these times it's incumbent upon us, if we want to not go crazy, not flip out, not get caught in too much of the insane belief-driven drama that plays itself out in the political field, in the spiritual field, in the, all over, on every level. I think if you want to stay rooted, then you have to root yourself in something deeper than the world, deeper than the play of the world. And that's quite a hard task, because the world by its very nature pulls us and pulls us and pulls us. And it's intense, and it's going to get more intense. 2025 is going to get very intense. See, everybody feels it. I just bumped into a neighbour who's not spiritual, not New Agey, not conspiratorial, not anything. And she's like, wow, this is intense. What does that mean for us? All it can really mean, and I'm serious about this, is that in the intensity, be present. In the intensity, stay rooted and grounded in a presence that is almost eternal, the presence of being. Don't be pulled one way or another way, neither up nor down, nor left nor right. Don't give it your attention. Don't give the drama your attention. We're used to giving the drama our attention. That's what we do. And by drama, I mean it could be the news, the beliefs, other people, other people's energy systems. All of it. All of it. No matter almost how real it appears, reality is as if becoming torn apart on a certain level. This is a good thing for the spiritual journey. It's not such a good thing for those who are invested in reality, a fixed sense of reality. If you think you know what reality is, it's going to be tough. If you think you can live with just a fixed picture of things, it will be quite difficult, I think. The one needs to develop a certain fluidity. Be like water. Be fluid. And be like air. Be present. Be like water. Be like air. Be flexible, but rooted in a presence that somehow almost transcends the world of drama and beliefs, air and water. And this means, in a way, in my next video, maybe will be about this. This means that we need to deal effectively with our own emotions. This is the time to go beyond one's own emotional body, beyond one's own emotional reactivity, beyond the emotional pull that we experience. Most emotion, unresolved emotion, is rooted in fear. And that must be dealt with. And this is a good time. Use the world. Use the world of your experience to see where you get pulled. Where am I being pulled into the world? It's a deep calling now. It's a deep calling. We live in deep times. As though the energy itself, a resonant field itself, is vibrating higher and higher and more intense. And that's pulling us. It's pulling our energy body. It's pulling our energetic, vibrational body. That means that anything that is unresolved really is coming up to the surface now. To be seen. To be known. To be resolved. And that's the individual, you and me, and everyone we know, and the collective field, which is everyone, the collective body. Amazing times we're in. And as they say, and I don't really like to say it, but I'm going to say it, buckle up. 2025 is coming. And I don't know, 2024 was pretty intense, but 2025 will be intense on many layers, on many levels. That's why, if we want to stay sane and rooted, then presence of just this and this and this is going to be your best friend. Bless you.